Chinese phone maker Tekno has partnered with Eliud Kipchoge, Kenya's two-time Olympic champion and world record holder in marathon running, in order to boost its product popularity in Kenya. Anthony Brian Otieno, brand retail manager of Tekno Kenya, said at a ceremony on Thursday that Eliud Kipchoge will be the brand ambassador for the company's upcoming flagship model, Phantom X2 series, in the Kenyan market.
Our slogan as Tekno is "Stop at nothing." And so pioneers are those people who will never rest at any point. And these people who are very much curious about the future and the innovation of technology that keeps on coming.
Otieno said that the smartphone model has innovative features, such as retractable portrait lens and renewable fiber back cover made from recycled materials. Kipchoge said at the event that his understanding of the importance of technology has led to his partnership with the brand.
This has made my partnership with Tekno Phantom series successful because I know how important technology is in ensuring that we improve our lives. In addition, we call it to ensure that we live a better world for our children, and that includes ensuring our environment is clean and sustainable.